ट्रस्ट मी, आज का टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। मुझे भी इस टॉपिक के बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं है, तो आज मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे डाउट हैं, बहुत सारी क्यूरियोसिटी है जो हमें मैम आंसर करने वाली है। एंड आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही प्यारा है। एंड बिफोर दैट आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस मैम। our ma'am name is Naga Swati ma'am. She's a
Call me
doctor
Swati.
and she's an energy transformator. She transforms you through her energies. So it's a very full of beautiful idea. She's an author, she's mother, she's wife and doing a lot in one go. Can you feel it? कि इतना सारा काम आप एक साथ कर रहे हो. She's actually doing it. So welcome ma'am and thank you so much for accepting our live. So
Thank you.
now uh, the topic is कि आज का जो टॉपिक है वो एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस। तो ये टॉपिक बहुत न्यू है और आई वुड से कि हमें समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बेसिक कि अगर मैं व्यूअर्स को बता पाऊँ कि एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस होता क्या है।
Okay. So access consciousness is something which is not like a cult or a modality, wherein you see there are a lot of cults these days, right? And there are a lot of modalities, there are set of rules, guiding principles. आपको ऐसा ही कर रहा है, आपको नॉर्थ पे ही बैठना है, ईस्ट पे ही फेस करना है, आपको सुबह 3 बजे उठ के करना है. So many set of rules, processes, guidance, सब कुछ. The overall access consciousness ka, if I can put it into one sentence, it is nothing but empowering you to know that you know. Like, the purpose of access is to empower every single person to know that they are capable, to know that they have all the potential, to know that they are infinite beings and not the finite beings. Because क्या होता है, when we think ourselves as finite, तभी we will get into that झंझट of thoughts, feelings and emotions. जैसे कि and we get into that cage कि it is like a stream of thoughts coming and you form a story out of it and you create a belief system out of it and you try to fit into that belief system and the cage. But in the access consciousness, it is to empower that you are an infinite being, and when you are an infinite being, there is nothing called finite. So you as an infinite being, you have the ability to perceive, know, receive and be. See, thought see, the trigger for the thought is also energy, right? Energy, based on the energy, the thoughts will get created. But awareness is much bigger beyond that, है ना? So जब आप when you know that you are an infinite being, then you perceive. Perception is much higher than thoughts. You know, you just know, like this, like an intuition. You just know. It's not even a thought. You get a download, right? Receive. You just receive it. It's a download. And be. You are being an infinite being. You are not acting. You are not trying. So that is the purpose of access, to empowering you to know that you know, and you are an infinite being. You have infinite possibilities. You'll have to just tune into it.
Wow. That means that we all human beings are somewhere different.
Yes.
And we have to realize that what is our specialty, and so that by knowing कि हमारी क्या क्या स्पेशलिटी है, उसके थ्रू हम अपना जो लिमिटलेस वर्जन है उसको अचीव कर पाए। वाओ एंड हाउ यू केम टू नो अबाउट दिस, आपको कैसे आइडिया मिला कि ये ऐसा कुछ होता है? हाउ दिस एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस कम इन योर लाइफ?
See, since I think I got introduced to this healing energy and all when I was 5 years old, my grandmother taught me something. It was like, I don't know, maybe 3-4 decades ago. People used to heal using mantras, जैसे घरेलू नुस्खे होते थे, and people used to come, मेरे को headache है, can you do some mantra? My grandmother used to do that and she taught me because it was so much fun when I was 6 years old. 3-4 phrases था and बस उसको रट्टा मारो और कोई आते हैं तो उसको ये करो, and it used to get healed and it was so magical. So that made me realize that there is something beyond the words, beyond the thoughts, beyond what I'm seeing with my naked eye. So from then I started learning different modalities, जैसे Reiki. Before my graduation itself, I did my Reiki mastery, and then I did pranic healing, crystal healing, and pyramid yoga. You name it, everything I touched. And coming to access consciousness, ऐसा हुआ कि 2016 में I had to undergo something which is with respect to my career. It was like I got into so much of anxiety and so many things.
Right.
That time someone introduced me and I was like, अरे ये भी और एक मोडालिटी है, ये भी लोग बोलेंगे आपको इतना सारा मैनिफेस्टेशन चिट्ठी लिखना है, आपको you'll have to keep some bowl and put all the dirty energy. मेरे को इतना भी patience नहीं था, and I was not having even that energy with so much of anxiety and that medicine what I was taking. So
Right.
that lady said कि तुम आ जाओ, you will have to just sleep on the bed and I'll take care of you. And I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, just I'll have to go and sleep and you'll take care. Okay, मैं आ रही हूँ. And then I went and she did in access consciousness has different levels, and the way there are different things to be done. Access bars is something which is very base, which is like the foundation. So मैं गई and she
What are access bars?
I'll tell
If you can explain it.
I'll tell you. So she said this. She just gave the brief and she told me I'll have to lie down on the bed. Only thing I'll have to do is I should not cross like this. I'll have to keep my hands like this for the free. That is the only condition I had. So मैं लेट गई and she started putting her hands on different parts of my head and started running something. Itna within 5-6 minutes I felt asleep. It was like almost for 50-60 minutes, almost 1 hour. इतना अच्छा नींद आया. In that past 4 months I was not sleeping at all with the anxiety. Okay, तो access bars का मतलब ये है कि there are 32 points on our head. Okay. And each point stores different things. जैसे कि आपको money है, money is a point here somewhere. So that particular point stores both good, bad, right, wrong, ugly, beautiful, all kinds of points of view which we have carried from our childhood and also from different births, because we would have had different impressions from different births. जैसे मनी का एक बार है and there is control करके एक बार है, तो that particular point stores all your ways and means of controlling. So in a day you will be controlling many people. You are controlling yourself also. बच्चों को बोलते हैं बैग वहां रखो, तुम होमवर्क ऐसा करो, तुम इतना टाइम को उठो. All these are control mechanisms. Of course, we are trying to put them into discipline. Having said that, these are control mechanisms, which means that we have tuned ourselves into a particular wavelength and particular belief system, and उसी से हम काम करते हैं. उससे हटके हम काम नहीं करते, बोलते. And we say that this is my policy, I don't like people doing like this. I don't like keeping house clean. I don't like, all these are cages, right? Because we have put ourselves into that cage, we are unable to see, differentiate and get different possibility.
Wow.
So that 32 points store different things on the head. Different things of our life. So when that is touched, and there is a crazy phrase of access which is like I'll give you the link in the end. I'll talk about it later. So when you touch on it and when you run that, it is called magic wand of access consciousness. Touch on that point, talk about that point, and use that magic wand, and the body starts releasing it. All the polarities, positive, negative. It's not like negative चला जाएगा, positive रहेगा. नहीं, सब कुछ clean slate हो जाएगा, so that you can perceive infinite possibilities. That is the specialty of access.
Wow.
So
loved it.
That time when I got that bars done, and मैं उठी and I was like, मैंने बोला अरे यार मुझे सब कुछ blank लग रहा है यार, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. The trauma what I have undergone by in my office, because of which I got anxiety, वो भी याद नहीं था. And she's like, you don't get into that castle now. You come 2 or 3 times so that it will be okay. Second time मैं गई, मुझे अच्छा लगा. मैंने बोला अरे यार मुझे भी सिखा दो, मैं घर में करूंगी. Then I learned it. The best part was my son was my partner, because you need a partner to run and receive. So we went, and because we did it together, lot of things between us got cleared. He was in 8th standard that time when I learned. So there were a lot of hidden things which he was not opening up. So that class made me a very good start of a um, start over of the relationship with my son also.
Wow. It's like a rebirth kind of
Yes,
thing कि
yes.
सो इट्स लाइक कि आपके पूरे इमोशंस खत्म हो जाते हैं कि आप हर चीज भूल जाते हो
No.
लाइक यू रिमेम्बर एवरीथिंग जस्ट इमोशनली यू ड्रेन्ड रिलीज्ड
हाँ, या इट इज रिलीज, मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जैसे टेक एग्जाम्पल, समवन ऑन द रोड इज डूइंग समथिंग, आप देख, ओके टेक एग्जाम्पल, टू पीपल आर फाइटिंग ऑन द रोड, आप देखते हो, you just see it for 10 seconds and you move on, right, most of the time. But that 10 seconds जो भी आप देखे हो, that goes for 10 hours in your mind. वो क्यों ऐसे झगड़ रहे थे, पता नहीं, the other person was good, probably this person is bad, blah 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 blah. You start judging about that 10-second situation for 10 hours without your knowledge.
ट्रू
But when you get into access consciousness, क्या होता है कि you get into that allowance, जैसे कि okay, it is their life, it is their point of view, उसके हिसाब से वो करेक्ट है, इसके हिसाब से ये करेक्ट है, इससे मेरा लेना देना कुछ नहीं है, राइट? सो आई एम इन allowance of their choices. They have chosen something to fight, fine, let them fight. So that particular choice creates so much of freedom within your mind. That is the beauty of access consciousness.
वाओ आई थिंक ये बहुत न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है मैंने
Hmm.
ईएफटी के बारे में सुना है कि यू नो टैपिंग वी
हाँ,
डू पर जो
correct.
आपने ये पॉइंट के बारे में बताया ये मेरे लिए भी बहुत फर्स्ट टाइम है आई वांट टू नो लाइक हाउ यू अप्लाई टू योर क्लाइंट्स आप कैसे अपने क्लाइंट्स पे अप्लाई करते हो या फिर व्हाट आर द रिजल्ट्स दे हैव सीन क्या चेंज आया है उनकी लाइफ में
Acha, I'll give one example which I have also written in my book, about a girl who was like almost like 98 kgs when I met her. She was yet to get married, and I was coming from a class. I was not taking so-called formal classes. जो भी मेरे को, if people approach me कि I need help, I used to do. There was no publicity or advertisement because I myself was very busy in my work. Now also I'm very busy in my work because I work as a strategy expert in SAP. So मेरा
ओके
global role है. So most of the 10-11 hours will go in that. So advertisement कुछ नहीं था, and I was just coming from the class and I was so happy, and I was talking over the phone. मैं बोल रही थी कि आज का क्लास बहुत अच्छा चला, blah blah. So I was just climbing the stairs. तो मेरा एक नाइबर आंटी ने बोला, ए स्वाति रुको, तुम इतना हैप्पी क्यों दिख रही है, क्यों, why I should not be happy, is it? Then she called me inside and she said कि मेरा ऐसा cousin है, she is 98 kgs and I want you to help her to get married. मैंने बोला, see, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a doctor, medical practitioner. I don't know. I cannot guarantee कि उसका कुछ हो जाएगा. But if you want me to meet her, ठीक है, उसको weekend में आने के लिए बोलो. Then she
राइट
came, and I saw her. I was like, oh my god, उसका इतना sweet सा face है. Yes, she was 98, around 100 kgs. बहुत sweet सा face है. तो because I had 3 days time, I prepared certain questionnaires so that I know her better. तो उसने questionnaire fill किया and सब कुछ हुआ. Then I started asking questions and started to get to know her, because in access consciousness, everything starts with question. So question क्या करता है? Example, what else is possible? When you ask the question, आपका brain ना, it gets into tuning to catch different answers
राइट
apart from what you have concluded. So I started asking questions and all, and then I realized that she had lot of trauma within her. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि देर आर सर्टेन इन एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस, वन इज बार्स, अदर वन इज बॉडी प्रोसेसेस. तो मैंने बोला एक्सेस बॉडी प्रोसेसेस करके है, इफ यू आर चूजिंग आई कैन रन इट ऑन यू. तो आपको हैंड्स ऑन करना पड़ता है. देर आर सर्टेन पार्ट्स ऑन योर बॉडी, यू विल पुट द हैंड्स, एंड देर आर लाइक more than 120 body processes for different things. So, and it is not like a process. मतलब जैसे डॉक्टर्स, इफ यू हैव कोल्ड, आपको एक सेक्शन 500 लेना है, नहीं तो डी कोल्ड लेना है. देर इज prescriptive medicine. Axis mein there is nothing called as prescription. So you will touch the body of your client, ask the body what's happening with you. So everything happens based on the consciousness and awareness. So I just touched her body and asked what process can I run, and suddenly you get the download कि ऐसा process run करो. That is the beauty of Access when you are aware. So I started running the process and she felt good and she came for 4 5 weeks. It's not that she has not reduced the weight, maybe 1 kg in that 4 weeks, but her mind and emotions has changed so much कि she started realizing that it has nothing to do with her body, it's something to do with her mind and thoughts. तो ये within 1 week, sorry 1 month उसका सब हो गया, and within 6 to 9 months she got married also because of her thought, because her energy shifted, her vibrations shifted. She's so happy now. उसको 2 बच्चे 2019 में हुआ था ये. And this really made me feel so good कि everything is in our mind. We cage ourselves with our thoughts. Just release it. You will glorify like anything. So that is a greatest testimonial I can say. But there are a lot of people who approach and I do the sessions on them and they see the result. It's all, everything is to do with mind. If you won't mind, it doesn't matter actually.
Wow. Even I have like into somatic parts, आप योगा और somatic वाला पार्ट करते हो, वहां आई हैव गॉट थ्रू द प्रोसेस जहाँ पे आपको समझ आता है कि जो आपका ट्रॉमा है वो आपकी बॉडी में ही स्टोर होता है. तो
Absolutely.
व्हाट इज वेट गेन? इट्स जस्ट अ एक्स्ट्रा फैट ऑन योर बॉडी. जैसे आपको सर्दी लगती है तो आपके जैकेट्स पहन लेते हो ना ऊपर से. सो योर वेट इज व्हाट इट्स प्रोटेक्टिंग यू फ्रॉम द अनसिक्योरिटी. अगर आप इनसिक्योर हो किसी एक्सटर्नल से और फीलिंग इनसिक्योर, यू आर फीलिंग अनसेफ इन योर एनवायरमेंट, तो आपका जो वेट गेन हो जाता है, यू नो, तुरंत ट्रॉमा के बाद कुछ भी होता है तो आपका जस्ट वेट गेन हो जाता है. सो देयर इज अ ह्यूज रिलेशन बिटवीन वेट गेन एंड द ट्रॉमा यू आर गोइंग थ्रू. तो जैसे आई थिंक उस प्रोसेस में सेम यही होगा कि आपने जो उसने पूरा रिलीज कर दिया तो उसका वेट लॉस होना स्टार्ट हो गया बिकॉज वो सेफ फील करना स्टार्ट कर ली वापस से.
And in this case, it was not that she losing her weight made her to get married. She was more or less same, but inside say she started feeling better. जैसे कि there was one lady who came and she said that कि देखो स्वाति, मैं बहुत कुछ करती हूँ, एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ, वो करती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, थोड़ा वेट लूज हो जाता है, एंड माय हस्बैंड विल जस्ट गिव अ कमेंट, अच्छा तुम अभी यंग दिख रही हो, मैं ओल्ड दिख रहा हूँ, और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड इमीडिएटली विद इन अ मंथ आई पुट ऑन माय वेट. मुझे पता नहीं क्या करना चाहिए, एंड इट वाज लाइक मोर और लेस आई वाज also going through that. So then I touched her body. Then the response what I got from her body was like, I love the nurturing, caring energy of husband. Because I love that energy, and when that, even though he would jovially बोला होगा, नहीं तो as a joke बोला होगा कि अभी तुम यंग हो, मैं ओल्ड दिख रहा हूँ, but the body took it so literally कि अच्छा शायद मैं weight lose करूंगी तो I will not be getting that nurturing, caring, loving energy. Body has a beautiful consciousness. It perceives many things which even mind cannot do. Okay, so when I touched and she said कि मैं 12 kg कम हो गई थी, अभी within 3 months I have increased 7 kgs, क्या करना चाहिए? Then I asked कि do you love your husband, क्या होता है, how is your relationship, and it's such a beautiful relationship between them. So the body was not ready to lose because of the innate fear कि I'll not have that nurturing, caring energy. तो मैंने पूछा, अच्छा what if you're okay with this weight, what if you're happy, what if your relationship is beautiful, what if you're healthy, you are 80 kgs but still you are healthy, so what? So see, then I realized कि 1910 या 1905 के पहले there was no that chart called कि आप 5'3" हो तो आपको 54 kgs रहना चाहिए. There was no chart or measurements that was created by the pharmacy and medical practitioners so that they can control us. What if I am fat and healthy? What if I am fat and fit? Right? It's a new perspective you would have not heard from anywhere. जब भी हम बोलते हैं कि अच्छा ट्रोमा इज स्टोर्ड इन माय बॉडी, अगर मैं ट्रोमा रिलीज करूंगी तो मैं वेट लॉस हो जाऊंगी, Not necessarily. Trauma is also stored, good memory is also stored. If the good memories wants the weight to be there, it will be there. So what?
Hmm.
What if you love your body the way how it is? How beautiful the relationship will be with the body,
Wow.
right?
I think this is whole new perspective कि इतना ज्यादा कंट्रोल मतलब यू हैव टू ईट सर्टेन कैलोरीज ओनली तभी आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी रहेगी बट हो सकता है किसी का एपेटाइट अलग हो किसी को कम खाना हो किसी को ज्यादा खाना हो और उनका बॉडी उसी तरीके से प्रोसेस करता हो एंड कहीं ना कहीं इस कारण से ना गर्ल्स स्पेशली आई हैव सीन गर्ल्स कि वो अपनी बॉडी को लेकर बहुत इनसिक्योर होती हैं कि अगर उनका थोड़ा सा भी वेट बढ़ जाएगा 2 kg भी दे लाइक ओ मेरा वेट बढ़ गया मेरा वेट बढ़ गया है सो आई थिंक दिस इज द होल न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन जो अपने वेट को लेकर बहुत ज्यादा इनसिक्योर रहती हैं वाओ अमेजिंग अमेजिंग ओके व्हाट आर द रूल्स अगर आपको ये करवाना है आपसे करवाना है हमें तो व्हाट कैन बी रूल्स फॉर दिस
See, access bars and body processes or hands-on processes, and we have certain verbal processes which can be done on the virtually or distant, and you can connect to that people and you can do. But these are hands-on. You'll have to touch because bodies like touching. Bodies like nurturing energy. Just imagine you'll go to a nice spa and get yourself massage. How good you feel. Every cell in your body feels happy, and that's the reason overall you're happy. That is the beauty of having the connectivity with the body. So for access bars, if anyone has to get it done, probably I'll do some 30 minutes of clarity call to understand what exactly they have. Then I will give the appointment to get that bars process. ऐसा नहीं है मुझे अपने आप करना चाहिए. I would like to learn. Then I'm an access bars facilitator, which means I'm a trainer also. So it's a 1 day class. People can come learn and they can start practicing on themselves and घर में भी they can run on people ऐसा. So it is both the way. I will help them to release. I'll not tell myself as healer because I'm just a facilitator. Because energy energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. I'm just facilitating to convert the energy from one form to another form. So I'll not name myself as a healer because healer creates a superiority complex. I'm not
Hmm.
superior to anyone. Only thing is I realize certain things little early than others. That's it. I'm not superior. I'm not guru. So that is my principle. I can do the
Amazing.
I can do the verbal processes virtually, and I can do the hands-on processes. If people want, they can come to me. And if there are more than two people who would like to learn, I'll go to their place and teach. So that is the way.
So, as you said कि you conduct the class virtually, so that like possible to वो same feel आता है virtually भी जो आप touch करके वो खुद से करवाते हो. I think
See, there are two different things. There are certain things which are called verbal processes. Suppose you say that देखो मुझे ना बहुत सारा डिप्रेशन है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, वैसा लग रहा है, वो लग रहा है. जब आप बोल रहे हो वर्चुअली, I can sense it because we are connected, right? We are on the same earth and we are connected energetically. When
right.
I sense, then I ask certain questions. So the answer what the client is telling, based on that I just get the download of what next has to be done. Suppose it can be done virtually, so I start asking questions and I start running oral processes. We have something called verbal processes. I start running and I'll give some homework like some questioning, some journaling. Maybe after 2 days, if they feel good, that's fine. If they want more, then they can come and get their hands-on processes run.
Wow, wow. So, आप classes भी run करते हो इसी same सिखाने के लिए
Yes,
if you want to become a facilitator
correct.
for the same. So how is the process like कितने का time duration क्या है अपनी सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए तो कितने hours हमें देने पड़ेंगे उसके लिए?
See, it is like basically 9 to 5 kind of thing. And as I told you, it is not structured or something. See, that whole 1 day is dedicated to gift and receive bars. Basically, you have a partner. I'll explain about what are those 32 points, how it has to run,
Hmm.
because people has to get accustomed to that points to, keep everything. So it's like 2 times of gifting and receiving. And when I'm a student, I have one more student, so I'm running on example, I'm running on you. So when I'm running, your body says something. Suppose I place my hands, say, on the gratitude bar or kindness bar. Suddenly, I sense ki there is something which is stuck about kindness in her. Probably she has seen lot of it just flows. That is the beauty. We are not aware. If you are aware, you know everything. So
Wow.
then the student asks कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, ऐसा emotion आ रहा है. Then I will facilitate verbal processes. अच्छा, आपके लाइफ में कभी cruelty हुआ था क्या?
Hmm.
So the whole class goes based on the questions. There is no
Right.
form and structure. The whole purpose is the person should be well versed with the access bars running by the end of the class. But manual तो रहेगा उनके पास.
Hmm.
Questions run the class. There is no fixed
Wow.
agenda.
अमेजिंग। मैं तो आपको मैसेज करने वाली हूँ अभी इसके बाद। बट इफ टू आवर व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको भी लग रहा है यू फाइंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि आपको करवा के देखना है या खुद से ये बनना है, यू वांट टू बी अ फैसिलिटेटर, जस्ट डीएम मैम। वो आपको आगे गाइड करेगी क्या प्रोसीजर है, कैसा होता है सब, एंड हैव अ क्लैरिटी कॉल विद हर डेफिनेटली। एंड आई थिंक बहुत ही न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। आई थिंक वी कैन कीप गोइंग ऑन,
Yes,
बट आई
yes.
थिंक वी हैव टू एंड इट बिकॉज इट्स अ शॉर्ट स्पेन। So
Okay.
if anyone wants to know more detail, just DM मैम,
Yeah.
वो आपको आगे गाइड करेंगी। बट नाउ विद द लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क
Hmm.
कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग आप तीन क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि वो अपनी लाइफ में स्टार्ट करें अप्लाई करना, ताकि उनकी लाइफ में थोड़ा चेंज आना स्टार्ट हो।
Okay. See, one of the tool which I use regularly is, maybe you may think a question kya karega? Who does this belong to? This question I keep asking. See, when you are aware, suddenly आपको headache आ जाएगा. Suddenly you start feeling angry. Suddenly you feel sad. Immediately when I ask who does this belong to, return it to the sender with consciousness attached. This tool I keep using. When I say, okay, who does this belong to? If I know the people, I'll get faces. नहीं तो I'll know that it is not mine. अब आज सुबह से मैं happy थी. Within 2 minutes मुझे इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Then okay, return it to the sender with consciousness attached. ऐसा मैं करूंगी. 10 मिनट के बाद ना कहीं पे नाइबर शाउट कर रहा है, फाइट कर रहा है. अच्छा, ये एंगर एनर्जी मेरा नहीं था, किसी और का था. इफ यू डोंट नो, यू गेट एंग्री, गुस्सा आएगा, बच्चे पे शाउट करेंगे, नहीं तो मेड पे शाउट करेंगे, तो वो कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो. उसके बाद रात में सोच, यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि मुझे इतना गुस्सा क्यों आया. दिस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन डज नॉट नीड so much of anger. So this
राइट।
tool I love. And other thing is, the जनरल टेंडेंसी ऑफ पीपल इज की अगर कुछ हो जाए ना, अरे यार इतना बकवास हो गया यार, you know, एंड बोलते हैं शायद किसी का नजर लग गया है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है, राइट. एंड नहीं तो बोलेंगे अच्छा सुबह किसका मुंह देखा था मैंने, these are so very caged behaviors and point of views. Instead of that, अच्छा, simple thing, ग्लास गिर गया, अरे यार ग्लास गिर गया है, चलो चलो की करो, कोई क्या, don't put your leg on that. That's the way how we behave. So then, interestingly, if you ask this question, how does this get any better than this? With this one question, you will, I mean, okay, शायद instead of maybe it's a simple thing, अगर कुछ हो गया होगा, maybe a bigger thing would have happened. Instead of that, when you say how does it get any better than this, you will get the ways and means which is more better than this. Because question creates, conclusion stops, question creates. And that's the reason if you go to any corporate firm, any of the meeting starts with what, why, and how. So what is the purpose of the meeting? You will define the purpose, why you will define, and how we are going to achieve it. Everything starts with these questions: why, what, and how. Question always creates. And other thing is, the beautiful tool is light or heavy. Suppose आपको, okay, let me tell, suddenly आपको कुछ हो रहा है, you start feeling heavy. So anything which is heavy is not yours. You would have picked up from the environment. So
वाओ।
suppose you are feeling heavy, dizzy, etc., you would have picked up from the environment. Just ask the question, light or heavy. Not only this, if you want to take a decision, you can say, if I choose this, what would be my life like in next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? And if you get the lightness, then choosing that particular job or anything, that house will create greater. If you get heavy energy, you can just ignore it. But for all this, you should be very, very aware. Aware expand your consciousness. If you are caging yourself with your fixed point of view, आपको light लगेगा, but that lightness is based on whatever is in your mind from your childhood, your belief system, everything. So be
Wow.
aware, release your belief systems, and embark on a different journey.
Wow.
So these
Wow.
three,
I've kind
three
of a
four
second point.
questions,
Hmm.
these three, four questions really change the perspective of how you see the life. And I was
Right.
telling about the magic wand of access consciousness. It is called the clearing statement. And if people want to know more about it, they can just go to clearingstatement.com and there will be an explanation by the founder. So it is called right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shorts, boys, poets and beyonds. Basically, जो भी इस situation के का right or wrong, good or bad, all that I am releasing, I am eradicating. Good is also a judgment, bad is also a judgment. You should function from no
Hmm.
judgments, then you will achieve greater. So people can go through this clearingstatement.com and they can know what the clearing statement is. So just ask the question, whatever energy comes up, clear it with the clearing statement, and that creates a lot of ease.
Wow. Wow. आई थिंक वो जब आपने जब सेकंड पॉइंट बोला कि हाउ दिस कैन गेट बेटर,
Hmm.
और उल्टा हम क्या बोलते हैं, इससे बुरा और क्या ही हो सकता है. वी आर
Exactly.
सो मच यूज टू फीलिंग लाइक और क्या ही बुरा होगा. बट आई थिंक लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट परसेप्शंस. आप कैसे देख रहे हो, आपका क्या नजरिया है, दैट्स हाउ योर लाइफ बिल्ड अप so amazingly. So I think thank you so much, ma'am, for this amazing knowledge. It's way too new for me as well. And I hope to our viewers, thank you viewers for staying till late till now. And if you have any questions you want to ask anything to ma'am, just write down in the comment, or you want you can DM ma'am for more clarity call so you can know more about it.
Yeah, and in my profile there is a link, my access consciousness the link hai. People can put in their name etc and put in their comment or question and send it, so I can also respond. They can DM me or they can use that access the website, my public profile, wherein they can put their questions and they can send it across to me.
Perfect.
And if they are more willing to learn bars, I'm always there to help. Yeah.
Definitely. Perfect. So yes, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining and accepting our life. It was a great and deep knowledge. We loved it. So yes, thank you so much.
And thank you for choosing me as one of your what interviewer. Yeah.
Like,
And I'm also very, very grateful because I'm meeting you for the first time and your
yes,
energy is awesome. And I know your purpose and your vision is also really great. And I wish you all the very best for your vision. And we crossed our paths with some reason. So let's connect and work towards our visions and make the world better place to live. Yeah.
definitely, definitely. Thank you, thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you to viewers. Thank you for joining. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.